Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to open recent tabs on Google Chrome on Windows or Macbook. So first of all, open up the Google Chrome. Okay, so once you are here, now click on these three dots at the top right corner. Okay, then you'll find the option history. Click on history here, and now you can see recent tabs option. Okay, so there were around 13 tabs, recent ones. Okay, so you can simply go to the 13 tabs and click on restore window. So once you do this, every recent tab will be opened. Okay, or you can simply select one, which one do you want. So I close the whole Google Chrome, that's why it is showing all 13. Otherwise you can see the recent ones. Okay, how to force quit app on Mac and all these ones. Okay, if you want to open all of them, then you can simply click on restore window and it will open all the 13 tabs. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.